Hey guys, so today's video is going to be something a little different. I'm actually doing one of those Facebook ad videos. If you guys watch Sophia Nygaard, she's like the queen of making these videos on like Instagram made me buy it or Facebook made me buy it. This is going to be the fitness edition. Some of you may have seen the videos.
Mom.
It's my birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. It's not really my birthday, but okay. Some of you guys may have seen the ads for Pop Fit. And I saw some reviews a couple years ago and they honestly weren't that great and most people were disappointed. But what they offer is free leggings, you just pay shipping. And I'm like, is that too good to be true? Is it a scam? Are the leggings crap? But honestly, lately their ads, they've been so inclusive with like all kinds of women, all kinds of shapes, sizes, like disabilities, like they've literally thought of everything and they have tried to market to women, any woman, and they wanted to make pants that would work for them. So I really like their message. So even though I had seen some kind of reviews, I was willing to give it a try and see if it really works. So one thing I liked about this is they do offer their free pair of leggings. You just pay shipping and you can just leave it at that. You don't have to sign up for anything. You don't have to have continual bills or anything like that. But they do offer a VIP system similar to Fabletics, but it's $30 and you get to pick like a sports bra or a pair of pants, or you can choose what you want, or you can have them choose, or you can like choose colors that you like. And if you do sign up for that, then you get an extra pair. So I actually got 2 pairs of leggings for $11, which I think was worth the gamble. So I know which ones I'm getting today, but I don't know what the quality is going to be like. But I did fill out like colorful and like my sizing for future orders. So I'll see what they send me, I guess, if this goes well. And if it doesn't go well, then I'll just cancel the VIP and that will be that. So they sent it in this little purple mailer. Okay, so this is interesting. It says, in order to provide this amazing offer to you, we are not able to offer refunds on orders placed with this promotion. This order is final sale and non-refundable, although you can exchange for an exchange fee. And then it says if you have any issue with your order or you receive a damaged product, you have 3 days from the reported delivery date to report the issue. You must have all the tags attached. So when you join the VIP, you get 40% off everything they sell and free fast domestic shipping on every order and returns with every order. So it's just with this free thing that they don't offer returns, which I guess makes sense. So I ordered a size small, which is usually what I order in leggings, and I just went off their sizing guide. All right, let's take a look. Their pattern is super cute. I picked this specifically for that. It has a good size waistband. I will say at first glance, they don't feel very compression at all. They feel pretty like, it doesn't feel like they're gonna hold you in. Let's see. Yeah, they do have a straight seam crotch. So they don't have like, a lot of leggings will have like the little triangle piece right there in the crotch to kind of help with like the camel toe situation. So these do not have that, which is unfortunate. So, I mean, it may be one of those you get what you pay for type thing. They do have double seams on the sides, which is cute, and they do have the pockets. Pardon the rain, we get flash thunderstorms like all the time. All right, these ones are burgundy. And these ones look like they're sewn the same way. They have the little mesh kind of black cutouts right there, which is really cute. And I believe these have, yep, they have pockets. The pockets look like they're a little higher up on these than some other brands that I've tried. It seems like the band is tighter and will kind of hold you in, but I don't know about the rest. So let's try them on and see what they look like. All right, I have to admit, these are a little better than I thought they were going to be. I wasn't sure. They don't hold in like my stomach as well. You know, I've had 3 kids, so you're gonna have that little baby belly regardless, I think. I don't think they're like that amazing like booty lifting where it just kind of like contours you. Super nice. I'd say they do a decent job of holding in my legs. I definitely have worse leggings. I think the pattern is super cute. I like the detailing of the like little mesh cutouts. The length is really good on me. I think it would almost be too long for some people because I'm 5'10" and the length is really good. They are really high-waisted, like super high-waisted, so I definitely like that part about them. It kind of tucks everything in. I find the placement of the pocket kind of strange. It's almost on my butt. Like, maybe that's just me. Like, the pocket is like almost behind me, which, I mean, I guess it's on the side. I guess it's okay, but I was just like, if I was sitting down, would I be like sitting on my phone? You know what I'm saying? Like, I would have preferred it to be like here a little more. But overall, they are better than I thought they would be. I will put these to the test in the next couple days, and I'll let you guys know how they do, because that's going to be the real test, is how do they go with the workout. All right, so here is the second pair. I think, so I was looking at the tag, and it says that they have a 4-way stretch fabric, so maybe that's what I'm feeling with the stretchiness of them. I was a little worried that they wouldn't hold me in, but they seem to be okay. Like I said, they don't do as good of a job right here on my stomach as some I have, but overall, I think they're pretty decent. These ones I don't think are as thick as those ones. I think those ones are a little thicker for some reason. I do feel like I have a little extra fabric right here, and I think that's kind of because like the way the crotch is sewn, it doesn't give you like the definition. So it'll be interesting to see if those fall down. I mean, the waist is high enough that it may compensate and keep them up. I just wish that they would have added that detail, because like I feel like I'm kind of like MC Hammer pants here. Like I just don't know how high I'm supposed to pull them up, you know, like that's real high. It says that they're squat proof, but they do feel like they're moving a lot. Yeah. All right, well, I definitely think they're cute. I like the style. I'm glad I bought them, especially for the price. Would I pay $30 for these? I don't know. I don't know if I would. The pocket placement on this one seems a little better for some reason. Maybe it's because that one has the mesh detailing. But this one seems more on the side, like I don't feel like I would be sitting on it. So I guess that kind of changes with the styles. But overall, I think it's good. It doesn't hold my leg in as well as I would like, but like I said, they're still really cute. I wish I had a little more support in the bum area. I know I don't have a big bum, but I'm used to kind of that like firm and lifting. That's not happening as much in these, but wow, they're cute. Alrighty, well, I'm going to work out in both of these pairs. I will let you guys know how they work, and I'll come back and I'll let you guys know in just a minute. Okay guys, so really quick, I wanted to let you know that the first time I wore these to work out in, they were kind of a hot mess. I feel like they were like really sliding all over. I could really feel a lot of the fabric. The other pair did a little bit better, but these ones were the ones that were most saggy. I tried contacting them. Happy birthday! And asking about their return policies. And once you have worn these, you cannot exchange the size if you've taken off the tags. So if you don't think your size is right, you need to like contact them, I think within a couple days, and send them back. Otherwise, you're gonna be out of luck. But one thing I did notice is that I felt like they were sliding a lot and they were also rubbing. I think it does depend what you wear underneath them. So the first time I wore both pairs, I didn't wear anything underneath them. I just wore the leggings as is, and I felt like that might have contributed to more of the sliding feeling. But I feel like if you're gonna wear like a cotton underwear underneath them to work out in, that they're gonna be like, it helps them stay in place a little bit better. The second thing I did to help is I actually shrunk them. So I washed them in super hot water, and I washed or dried them on super hot, and they are much better. They still have some extra fabric, but not as much as they did before. The other thing is I asked them why these ones were more stretchy than the other ones, and I think it's because they wanted to make them squat proof, which they are both squat proof. To do that, they needed to have like this 4-way stretch, and so that's what's causing the fabric to be so loose. I did put on my profile that I'm going to be sizing down to an extra small, so I will try that out next month and see if it's any better. But I worked out in them today and they did okay between shrinking them and having underwear on underneath instead of just wearing them straight. It seemed to work better. So I know there's lots of different options for what people like to wear under their leggings, and it is what it is. Do what you feel comfortable with. So that is kind of my first impressions of the Pop Fit leggings. I will say that overall my experience was okay. I wish that on the website there would be more explanation onto the different fabrics and how they wear, and I wish that it would say like, hey, if you're gonna get this type, you should size down, just a little bit more descriptive, because it was kind of frustrating to have two pairs the same size and have them fit differently. So if that's going to be the case, I think it should be clear on the website. Also, it'd be nice if they were to make some sort of like comment board or view place where people can say, hey, I got the Stella leggings, I needed to size down. And you're like, okay, great, thanks for the info. So I think those are a few things that I would like, but overall, are they the best fitting leggings I've ever had? No. Was it worth it for the two pairs that I paid just shipping for? Absolutely. I would definitely get that deal again. I mean, I can't since I just signed up, but so I'll see. I don't know if I'm going to continue with my VIP or not. We will see. A lot of times they don't have a lot of the cute ones in the extra small. They have mostly black and stuff. And so I don't know if they don't carry as many of the fun patterns in the extended sizing, which is kind of a bummer. But that's my overall opinion. Do I think it's a scam? No. Do I think it's the best quality legging? No. But do I think it was worth the $11? Yeah. So, hey guys, so I'm currently at my mom's house and I did get another shipment. And so I paid full price for these, which I think was $30. And I did get an extra small. And I did choose for like a surprise, so they would just pick one, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to be surprised. So I will put the names of all the leggings like down below. I don't remember what these ones are called, but they're very cute and they do fit, but there are a few things that are like between the small and the extra small. So these ones are super cute because they're just black from the front, but from the side they have this detailing. They're just black in the back, and they have this, it's kind of like the fishnet on the sides, which is super cute. I don't believe these ones have any pockets, so that is one drawback to this pair. This one, the rise is not quite as high, it's a little bit lower. These ones are definitely more compression and much tighter, but it's like you can kind of feel it behind the knee where it's like kind of thick and a little bit restricting, but it doesn't have the issue with the extra fabric. So I don't know. I think if I was to order another pair that were like this, I probably would go up to a small, just because I feel like with shrinking them, they were okay. I have washed and dried these and they are still okay, but I think that if they came out with those other fun patterns, which they haven't, in the extra small, that I probably would size down. So that's what this pair looks like. I mean, they're very cute. I mean, I do like them. I don't feel like these ones have the fall down issue, like if I'm, you know, doing something. It's more or less if like I was doing yoga or something like this, like it's pulling this down in the back because it's tight. Like this is pulling, I can feel it on my knees. It's just not as comfortable for like something like yoga or Pilates. But I think if I was just like running in these, they'd be okay. So I think it kind of depends what you're using them for. But I still think the pattern is super cute, and I definitely will wear them. So that is everything for my Pop Fit video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did go ahead and cancel my subscription just because I feel like I got a good idea of what Pop Fit is like, and I can always sign up again if I want to. And I like trying other brands, so this is going to be the end of my Pop Fit journey for now. But I did see that they did just release shorts and they do have pockets. So if that is something you guys want me to try out, let me know. But otherwise, have a beautiful day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!